Thanksgiving is more than just a day. It's a reminder of all the blessings we often take for granted. Today, I am grateful for the people who fill my heart with love, the moments that bring me joy, and the lessons that have shaped me. Let us cherish the time we have together. Embrace the warmth of family and friends, and extend our gratitude to those who make life a little brighter. May your heart be full, your spirit lifted, and your blessings abundant. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your loved ones.